This video may contain graphic images, which could be disturbing to some people. Viewer discretion is advised.
Open the door. Oh, gun! Gun, gun, gun!
Police work is growing increasingly dangerous every day, and sometimes a seemingly routine welfare check can quickly spiral into a deadly confrontation.
911, where is your emergency?
Hi, I'm driving. I'm at Lindsay and Guadalupe, and there's a driver in a car who looks like he's slumped over the wheel, and he's not moving, and so he's blocking traffic.
What kind of vehicle is it?
It's a silver sedan. I don't know the make or model. I drove past before I realized what was going on.
Did it look like he was breathing, or you weren't able to tell?
I was not able to tell. I'm sorry. We drove past, and I glanced over, and I pulled over to the side now. It looks like he's still not moving, but I can't see his car where I'm sitting, and I can't tell any more about his condition. I'm so sorry.
No, you're totally fine. It looks like I have an officer as it is right east of there, so they're on their way over there. They're going to go ahead and check on him, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for calling it in.
Of course. Bye-bye.
No problem. Bye.
2 patrol vehicles boxed the subject's vehicle to prioritize safety. 2 officers in full uniforms tried to wake the driver by banging on the driver's side window and roof. They also tried to open the locked car door. Eventually, the 24-year-old driver woke up and gave a gesture to the officers, but then things took a sudden turn.
Open the door. Open the door. Oh, gun! Gun! Oh, gun! Gun, gun, gun! Gun! Hold.
The armed driver continued to ram police vehicles and trying to flee after committing a violent felony, posing an immediate danger to the community. Officers fired again to stop the threat.
Hold traffic, hold traffic, hold traffic. He's still trying to get away.
The 24-year-old was pronounced deceased shortly after. The loaded firearm pointed at the officers was located inside the vehicle, another in the suspect's waistband, and 2 more in a backpack. Multiple loaded magazines, scale, baggies with residue, cash, and alcohol. Plate carrier vest in the passenger compartment. Additional bag containing cocaine, ecstasy, and prescription pills. This tragic incident shows how a routine welfare check can turn into a life-or-death decision in seconds, with devastating consequences for everyone involved. Subscribe for more real-world critical incident coverage like this one.